From the moment I walked in, they gave me the right amount of pay.
Actually, full-time, more than enough money to sustain myself and have a nice, fun, and stable life.
When you're first coming in, you start off with the little things like cleaning and tires. You want to get your hands dirty so bad, but you have to take time. But within my first week, I got to working on cars. My coworkers are a huge help. Anytime there's something that I need to do that I don't know, I could just turn my shoulder, turn my head, and ask my coworkers. Some of them been in the industry for 5, 10, 20 years. And so have that basically a encyclopedia next to you at any time, it's huge.
In the automotive industry, we have a desperate need for skilled entry-level technicians who would be responsible for completing an oil change, some basic brake services, maintenance services, filters, fluids, things of that nature, all with a mindset of safety and quality, because they're handling a significant investment of each one of our customers. A skilled technician can make a significant income provided that they take that education process. I have skilled technicians that make under six-figure incomes and some well into that. So the responsibility is on the technician to continue to develop his skills every day. It's a career that can be incredibly rewarding and have a tremendous amount of job security.
Automotive is a place that's dying for technicians right now, so a lot of places will take you with no experience. But when you have it, it helps your pay.
Jordan came with many of the foundational learnings he needed to have to be able to fulfill the roles and responsibilities of a technician, like how to do an oil change, some basic tire services. But the most important quality that Jordan came to us with is a positive attitude, a willingness to learn, and he takes his career seriously, and that's really greatly appreciated.
Oil change on a pump line need to get done here pretty quick.
Okay, I get to it right away.
Perfect. Nice.
Good quality entry-level technician that we're looking for. You have to have great teamwork skills. You have to like working on cars. You have to like getting your hands dirty. Learn something new every day.
The job is different challenges each day.
You might be working on a 2023 Mercedes-Benz today, and then tomorrow you're working on a 1999 Toyota Camry. You never know what you will find once you get into the field. With technology just growing throughout the world, it's definitely grown within cars as well. So we took the name from mechanic now to technicians because a lot of things we do is working with electricity or working with computers. Digital dashboards are a huge new improvement in automotive industry as well. If you have a fault in your system, a lot of times these newer dashboards will tell you what exactly the problem is. And using tablets is a big help too, because unless the customer comes in to the shop, you couldn't really show them what's wrong with their car. But with the pictures, you can give them a direct description and an insight into what's going on. Looking good so far. There's a couple concerns that I might want to address to the customer.
We interact with customers in very many ways digitally, and Jordan's responsible for a lot of that. He completes the inspections, he takes the images, he has a lot to do with the success of our business just in the way he interacts digitally with our customers. In this industry, there's a tremendous amount of job security for technicians because whether you're dealing with a natural combustion engine or electric vehicles of the future, they're all full of moving components, and that's not going to change. So things like steering, suspension, brakes, climate controls, electronics, those are going to remain regardless of what those cars look like in the future. And it's an incredibly stable type of position to have in a skilled trade industry.
I see a path to the middle class. If I continue this hard work, and I get the certifications from school, and I keep working hard at work, I should be there within the next couple of years. My industry dictates that, and that's what I'm excited for.